What is going on, YouTube? How's everybody out there today? Everybody being good? Are you being good people? I try to be a good people. I do. We're going to unbox some more shit. Not shoes this time. It's not really unboxing. It's unbagging. Let's grab this. Let's grab this. We're going to be quick about it. We're repping BlueTile today. Anybody know about BlueTile? Little skate shop out of, I think, Charleston, South Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina, somewhere out there. David BlueTile, here on the YouTubes, he does a bunch of sneaker videos, right? It's a thing that he does. Really good. He's way better at it than I am. So we're repping BlueTile today. Support local skate shops. I'm gonna tag them in the description. We got one of these bags kind of cut open. Ordered two things on the same day. Hey, look, this, I didn't need a knife. This has a little perforated shenanigans on it. Yeah. Anyway, I've said it before in videos. Maybe none of them that I don't know. So when I travel, I try to go to local skate shops in the market. That's whatever market I'm in. Yeah, and I try to get out there, support local business, and I'll pick up a shop T-shirt, or I'll pick up a shop deck. Shop decks are cool to have, I think. I got a bunch of them hanging up in my basement. I might have said that before. All right. Reason that we're repping BlueTile today is because that's where this order came from. I got hip to their shop when the BlueTile Nike Dunk collab came out. Just arguably the shoe of the year. Came out earlier in 2026. Very, very cool. Yeah. All right. There's that. It's a thing. That's a shoe. All right. I went through, been trying to complete the collection of the City of Paris. The City of collection of SB Dunks. They had the City of Cinema, City of Love, a few other ones. I'll do a video on that maybe. Who knows? We'll see. But trying to get some of the gear that goes along with it. I did another video and did a post on the sweater, the City of Love sweater, and the City of Love tee in coconut, off-white color. What do we got here? We got another one. We got this in, this is a colorway called Earth, I believe is what it says. But BlueTile Skate Shop had one in. These things released back like early 2024-ish, mid 2024. I don't know. There was a whole thing. All of those shoes up there had something to do with they were inspired by Paris because that's when that's where the 2024 Olympics were taking place. So they did, Nike SB did a bunch of shoes kind of honoring Paris. Yeah. My wife and daughter went to Paris a few months ago, here in 2026. They went, enjoyed themselves, their first time in Paris. I didn't go. I stayed home and worked. But while I stayed home and worked, I started putting together the Paris collection. So there we go. I got the other shirt, something in the white colorway, and just ordered this one from BlueTile. They had old stock sitting there, which was nice. That's a good thing. The other little package I got here is when I found the other shirt. I also saw that BlueTile released another new shop t-shirt. Got the little BlueTile logo here, little heart, little square guys, little eyeballs are cute, right? That's the thing. I kind of dig the color. Kind of a university blue, Carolina blue, maybe we would call it. It's pretty close with the little kind of off-white ivory logo and the cursive BlueTile script. So yeah, I kind of dig this. I like watching the stuff from David BlueTile here on the YouTubes, and it's a thing. Check them out. I'll put a link in the description maybe. But yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Super quick, very easy, super easy, barely an inconvenience. That's what this was. But yeah, support your local skate shops or independent skate shops. Make that be a thing. Help these people out. Keep them in business. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, or if you do comment, say something that's not mean. Just be good people. All right, that's it.